Hey guys, today we're finessing these dollar bandanas. The first thing you want to do is make a pattern. I'm using something that fits the way I like, and I'm going to trace that pattern on this brown piece of paper. You can get the paper from Dollar Tree. So yeah, you just want to trace it out. You should have something like that, and you're going to take that over to your fabric. I ended up folding my bandanas in half, and just once I cut out the orange piece, I used that to cut out my green. So you should have 2 green and 2 orange. Okay, now I'm just pinning the 2 pieces together. I'm gonna sew around where the pins are. So you should have something like this. I wanted my top to be more fitted, so I'm adding a dart, and all I did was kind of pin at like an angle, like a triangle angle type thing. So fold it in half, and you definitely want to try this on, but this is how it looks once I sewn it together. But yeah, time to add the straps and the hemming part. I'm using the bias tape or fold over elastic. You just want to cut out a piece that's big enough or long enough to fit around the outside part of your top, and you're just gonna fold, like tuck the fabric in between the folded part. You know, it's really easy, I promise. But yeah, so you just want to sew where the pins are. And now I'm doing the outside part. So when you cut out the elastic, make sure it's long enough to fit around your neck, because that's going to be your straps. Yeah, so just make sure it's long enough, and I'm just going to pin all the way to the end. Okay, and now you want to cut out a piece that's long enough for the bottom part, and that's going to tie around your back. You're just going to sew it down. And that's how it should look. Now onto the skirt piece. I started off, I thought 3 bandana was going to be enough, but I ended up using 4 bandanas. I just folded in half, and I took a skirt that fit the way I like, and I'm just tracing like the outside part of my skirt. And you want to do the same thing to the green piece. Now I have 4 pieces, you know, and now we're just gonna pin them together. You know, you can mix and match and figure out where you want to put your pieces. It's really up to you. So this is how mine looks so far. Because I'm doing a slit in the middle, like in the front on the side, I decided to put an orange in the middle and the 2 greens on the side. Hopefully I'm not confusing y'all. And you just want to pin everything together. And yeah, that's how it looks. To make my slit pop out a little bit more, I'm also using the bias tape on the edge as like a hemming thing. And you just want to cut out a piece that's long enough to fit, and you're just going to pin it down and sew it. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add a zipper at the back, and all I did was kind of like fold that over. You could sew it down just to keep it in place, but you just want to add your zipper. Gonna pin it. I don't know if I'm doing this the right way, but hell, it was on there. But yeah, so I changed my foot to a zipper foot, and that made it easier. And yeah, so once you sew it down, that's how it looks. It was pretty easy. Next time I'll probably add the bias tape all at the bottom. But yeah, so this is how it turned out. This only cost me $4 to make. Super easy and simple. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.